Hey y'all, this is Mo Abdallah, CEO and founder of Good Faith Energy. Welcome back to my Tesla solar roof install series. We're coming to you live from this Tesla because we cannot stand the Texas summer heat. Today we're gonna be walking you guys through my new freshly painted LimeWash brick. Lime washing is an extremely sustainable process. It's made with eco-friendly materials. LimeWash consists of three main ingredients: lime, water, and tint. The process is extremely safe for the environment. It's very durable, built to last. It has a very high UV resistance. It also has a high pH quality, which means it's a natural fungicide and it will deter critters. Since it penetrates the brick, it won't chip or peel. It allows the brick to breathe, and it's much lower maintenance over the ages. We also painted all the garage doors black. We painted the other trims around the home black. We replaced the gutters with 6-inch seamless gutters that really look clean with the super modern, super sleek look of the Tesla solar roof. We are thrilled about the look of how the LimeWash came out. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you're looking for a LimeWash, make sure to check out Highland Painting. Really cool, small, local business, very fair and ethical. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Come on, stop procrastinating. Thanks so much, y'all. Leave any of your comments and questions below. Stick around for the next video where we'll be doing a deep dive into the SPAN smart panel, some of the data insights it's proving to show valuable, and how you can utilize a SPAN with your battery system to maximize the life and durability of your system. Catch y'all in the next video.